Hey guys, it's Courtney Toyama with Toyama's Thrifty Trinkets, and this was actually a very requested video. I know that sounds a little bit strange, but lots of people wanted to know how to make a tripod out of everyday objects. So this one's going to be out of a kitchen chair. So a lot of people do their lives sitting at tables or near tables, you know, so that they have everything laid out. So this is actually one of my dining room chairs. And this today is going to be our phone because my phone is clearly on the tripod right now so that I can show you this video. So I'm just going to lift you up just a little bit here. All right, so everybody has hair ties. If you're like me and you have daughters, 3 daughters, so I have a million of these. So you just take and hook them together like this. Really super simple, right? So you're going to record your video. If this is your phone, you put your phone on the front. And you have to be careful and mindful of where your camera is. So you're going to put one gutchie around the top and then stretch the other down to the bottom. And this does take a little bit of skill. Also, your phone's going to be thinner than this box, so it won't be near as hard to get it to quite stretch. I mean, I know they make some thick phone cases nowadays, but it should be nowhere near as difficult. So then all you have to do is set it, and if you keep it up high enough, it is the perfect eye level, which is what you want. You don't want to be going into earthworm view and videotaping from below. So this will allow you, especially YouTube video this way and Facebook Live this way. So the chair is an awesome, awesome tool. And again, these are just hair gutchies. You can get an entire pack of them at the dollar store for like $1. So hair gutchies, phone, the horizontal for YouTube and vertical for Facebook. That's all for today. Remember, you can find my information down in the description below. Till next time, toodles!